Educators in the modern era face unique challenges due to rapidly evolving technologies, changing societal expectations, and diverse student needs. To cope and thrive, they adopt various strategies, tools, and mindsets. Here's how educators adapt to the demands of modern education. 1. Continuous professional development. Workshops and training. Regularly attending sessions on emerging technologies, teaching methodologies, and curriculum updates. Online courses and certifications. Using platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or Khan Academy to stay updated on new trends. Joining forums, peer groups, and professional networks to share knowledge and collaborate. Hybrid and blended learning. Combining traditional teaching with online resources to create flexible learning environments. Virtual reality and AI. Exploring cutting-edge technologies to enhance engagement and provide immersive learning experiences. 3. Adopting new teaching methods. Student-centered learning. Shifting focus from teacher-led instruction to methods like inquiry-based, project-based, and experiential learning. Differentiated instruction. Tailoring teaching strategies to meet diverse learning needs. Flipped classroom. Assigning video lectures or reading as homework, allowing in-class time for discussions and hands-on activities. 4. Promoting social and emotional learning SEL, building relationships. Creating a safe, inclusive environment where students feel valued. Mental health support. Addressing student stress and anxiety through mindfulness, counseling, and open communication. Staying flexible and adaptable. Embracing change. Being open to experimenting with new ideas and learning from failures. Lifelong learning mindset. Continuously updating skills to align with changing educational landscapes. 6. Fostering collaboration. With peers, sharing best practices and co-developing teaching resources. With parents, engaging families as partners in their children's education. With industry experts, bringing real-world perspectives into the classroom. Catering to diverse learners, using assistive technologies and differentiated content for students with varied needs. Bridging the digital divide, ensuring access to devices and internet connectivity for all. Analyzing student performance data to identify gaps and personalize learning plans. Leveraging analytics tools to improve classroom management and teaching efficiency. 9. Advocating for educational reforms, participating in policy discussions to shape curricula and resource allocation. Championing innovation and advocating for systemic changes that benefit students and teachers alike. 10. Prioritizing self-care. Managing workload to avoid burnout. Engaging in stress-reducing activities and seeking professional support when needed. By embracing these strategies, educators not only cope with but also excel in the modern educational landscape, ensuring they meet the needs of their students while continuing to grow professionally.